Hello beautiful creatures, welcome back to my channel Phyrra. I'm so grateful you're here. My name's Cordelia and on my channel I love to talk about indie makeup, gothic fashion, mental health, poodles, lifestyle and more. So if these are things that you're interested in, please do me a favor and hit that like button right now and don't forget to subscribe so you can join in the conversation. So today's video is going to be a quick little fun tutorial featuring Aromaleigh and Silk Naturals and Lime Crime. I'm using the Phaedra blush and this new lip color that I picked up from NYX Cosmetics and a couple other new products that I wanted to try out. So if you want to see how I put together this fun little purple look, just keep watching. I've already put on my eyeshadow primer. It's the Concrete Minerals Glitter Eye Primer. I'm now going to use the Lime Crime Electric Slide Pencil in the shade whatever. It's like a pinky purple. And I'm going to put this all over my lid, my crease. I'm going to bring it up here at the inner part of my eye. Extending it past my outer lid a little bit just to help me deal with my excess skin from my hooded eyes. And I'm going to run it along my lower lid. I'm using the Sigma E27 to just blend the edges of the cream eyeshadow. This product also blends out real easily with your fingertips. I own a bunch of the colors of this because I really like the format. I suppose I should do a eye swatch video in all of the shades that I have. I'm going to use my Fenty powder in 105, and this is a pencil brush, and this is just to blend the very edges of that Lime Crime shade. I'm going to take the color Aromaleigh Tiny Bluette, and this is a Lethal Cosmetics pencil brush, which is like not very much of a pencil brush. It's more like it's very what I would call loose. I don't know, it's not very tightly compacted head. And I'm putting this at the outer part of my lid and dragging it to kind of create like a slight wing shape. And I'm also going to put this along my lower lid. Most of the way across the bottom. Yeah, this is more like a diffused pencil brush for me, but that's okay. We can make it work. The next color I'm going to use is Aromaleigh Desideratum. I probably said that wrong, so I'm going to have the word up on the screen for you to see the name of it. And I'm going to put this on the rest of my lid, and I'm using a Sigma medium sweeper brush. This is an ultra sparkly color with a highly reflective blue shimmer. I think it's really pretty. I know, pastels for spring, groundbreaking. And I'm going to take the Aromaleigh color Phaedra, which is a deep violet purple, angled eyeshadow brush from Sydney Grace Cosmetics. And I'm just basically going to draw, because I don't want it to be too heavy, on the outer part of my upper lid, creating a wing. I'm doing it just along the outer corner of the lower lid too. And I'm going to use this Q-tip to just sort of shape it. I'm back with a brush that I applied the Bluette color and just blending over the top of this to make sure it's not too harsh. I'm going to apply my Thrive Cosmetics mascara in the deep blue shade Nola. I'm going to apply LA Girl Screamin' Neon Yellow Highlighter on the lower waterline because I thought that would be fun for a pop of contrast. With the pink and blue purple to have the yellow. All right, now let's go on to the complexion. I'm really excited because I'm going to be using the Silk Naturals Phaedra blush today. But to start, we're going to put on Danessa Myricks, the Prism FX Hydrating Lotion in the shade Gold. I'm trying a new complexion product today. This is from Eden Minerals. They sent me this. It is their Moisturizing Mineral Skin Tint, and the color is light, so we'll see how it works for me. I'm excited to try it. Eden Minerals has had several different foundations that have worked really well for me. They had their North Skin and their Nordic Belle, and both of those had the shade Jorun, and it was a great match for my fair skin. They also made a tinted day cream, which worked really well for me as well. I find that their products in general are more coverage than I'm usually looking for in a foundation, unless you like thin them out. Now this looks like it's a little bit dark for me. I'll make sure to insert photos or video of me outside so you can see what it looks like in natural light to see how it matches. So this is the new foundation that I received from Eden Minerals. I think it just looks like it's just a shade or two too dark for me. It's a little bit too dark. Oh, and I'm applying this with the NYX Cosmetics Bear With Me Blur Foundation Brush. I bought this after the people at NYX told me I just didn't, apply their blur foundation correctly and I needed the right brush. So I bought the brush to give it a try and still didn't have particularly great results. But that's okay. I'll put a link to that video if you want to check it out. Looks to me like it's maybe a shade or two darker than my skin tone, but I don't know if that's visible on camera. Alright, so I'm going to start with Silk Naturals Instinct, which is the deeper purple with a strong blue duochrome shift blush. I'm putting this along the bottom of my cheekbone. And now I'm going to go in with Phaedra, which is the lighter purple duochrome. And I'm going to start mixing these on the cheek. And I'm just using this brush from Colored Rain to blend my edges. I love that. I love this so much. It makes me so happy that this color is just so beautiful. I'm going to highlight with Silk Naturals Blue Raspberry. And I'm using the Sigma Samantha Ravindal highlighter brush. I am going to set my face with the Silk Naturals Meld Powder in Light. It's a makeup setting powder that helps all of the things on your face meld together to look like your skin but better. Now for my lips, I'm going to outline my lips in the lip pencil Tarot by Lime Crime. And I'm going to try this lip color from NYX called Berry Bed Sheets. I really love the color of this lip color, but I found it kind of difficult to apply. But I think I'm going to put on a couple face gems just to kind of finish this look because I think it'll be fun to add a little bit of extra sparkle. And this is just a face gem set that I bought from Amazon for really cheap. Alright, I'm just sticking this on my face. It's just like this little pink one. So basically putting a medium-sized one towards the outer corner, and then I'm putting the smallest size that comes on this towards the tail. So, what do you think? I put some little cute gems on. Alright, so let me zoom in so you can see the finished look up close. So here's my finished eye look with Aromaleigh and Lime Crime and LA Girl. Hopefully you can see all of the pretty color shifts. What do we think of the Phaedra and Instinct blush? I love how it blends out effortlessly. So I hope you loved this fun purple makeup tutorial featuring Aromaleigh and Silk Naturals. Please be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any color combination requests, beautiful creatures, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to create them for you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.